What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here. I hope you're having a great day. Now, I want to go over in this video how you can earn passive residual income with cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's get into it. What is passive income? So I'm going to briefly explain that. Normally, active income is when you go and you trade your time for money. Okay, you punch a clock, and you go to work. Or you're doing graphic design. You're trading your time for your money. Passive income, however, is income you earn residually that always is coming in without very much additional work. An example of this would be owning real estate and having a manager and you don't have to do anything with the real estate. Every month it brings in rent. It requires very little oversight, especially if you have a real estate manager. An example of passive income would be a YouTube channel where you make money. Even if, say, you stopped uploading completely, you would still make money month after month from ad revenue from older videos. Another example of passive income would be owning dividend paying stocks that pay dividends that you don't have to go and work for the company for. You just get a piece of the dividend because you're buying a piece of the company. So how does this relate to cryptocurrency? How can you, the consumer, the enthusiast, the average Joe or blockchain enthusiast, how can you earn passive income with cryptocurrency? Now, I'm going to go over a few different ways. Now, the first way is owning particular cryptocurrencies. Certain cryptocurrencies actually pay passive income. And I want to go over a few right now. So, the first one, it is a very popular cryptocurrency, something I am bullish on, and that is NEO. NEO will pay you gas, which could be sold on an exchange or sold or just kept or traded for other cryptocurrencies for owning NEO. Now, the amount is a little bit variable, so you do have to go online. There actually are websites dedicated to calculating how much gas you'll receive for owning NEO, but just by owning NEO, you will receive gas, and that could be sold for income. Now, this form of passive income is a little bit volatile because the value of NEO and the value of the gas could fluctuate quite a bit, especially right now we're in a bear market. If you're watching this video on April 5th, so you definitely have to take that into consideration. So the pros of this, it's really easy, and also you get not just the passive income. You don't just get the gas, right? What else are you getting? Well, if NEO starts to skyrocket, you're making money that way. You're making money in capital appreciation and appreciation of your value. So you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting the dividends no matter what, and then you're getting the possible appreciation and increase in value of the cryptocurrency itself. So NEO is actually a very simple, basic, beginner-friendly way to make passive income with cryptocurrency. So next up on the list is KuCoin, specifically KuCoin shares, KCS. Now, KuCoin shares are something I've owned for quite a few months now. I did put a few $100s in it. It's not something I'm really trading right now, and I'm not making a ton of money off it. However, what's cool about KuCoin shares, and let me go over the cons first, then I'll go over the pros. The cons of KuCoin shares, the risks is that if KuCoin ever did anything shady, if they ever exit scam, and I'm not saying they will, I think they're a legitimate exchange, and I do use them. But if anything like that happened or they got hacked, the value of KuCoin shares would plummet immediately. So you do have to take that into consideration, that you're relying on an institution to have that value. Okay, now one of the big pros of KuCoin shares, one of the things I love about it, is that it automatically diversifies you. So what KuCoin shares is, you buy a KuCoin share. Now all the trading value that occurs on the exchange for all the different altcoins they offer, you get a slice of that. You get a slice of the fees. So KuCoin will charge fees, of course, for people trading. Let's say they're trading, I don't know, Ethereum. I'm just going to use something very basic. So let's say they're trading Ethereum. You'll get a piece of the fees, a portion of the fees that is traded with Ethereum. So let's say their KuCoin collects $50,000 a week in fees just from Ethereum trading. You get a portion of that, but that's not all you get, because you're getting a portion of every single altcoin traded on the platform, okay? So you're getting also a piece of some random Bitcoin fork like Bitcoin God. You're getting a small piece of Dash. You're getting a small piece of Pearl, which is traded on there. It automatically diversifies you, and that's one of the biggest pros there, is that you don't have to worry about diversifying, because all your payments, they come in different cryptocurrencies, and that's one of the best things about it. So KuCoin Shares is a really interesting project that I own that, again, it could go up in value as well. The payouts aren't amazing. They're really not. You have to put in a significant amount to make anything legitimate back, but it's diversified and it stacks on itself, okay? So that's one of the great benefits of KuCoin Shares. Now, moving away from cryptocurrencies themselves and owning them, how else could you make a passive income stream with the cryptocurrency market, okay? And another really good example of this would be writing an ebook. If you wrote an ebook, let's say you know quite a bit about cryptocurrencies and you've been in this for a while. If you go out and you write an ebook and you sell that and you promote it a little bit up front, you can make a passive income stream with that ebook. I've done this. I have ebooks available. They're short, they're sweet, they're to the point, and I've gotten emails from people saying they really enjoyed them and they loved them, and they are linked down below if you want to grab them. I'm not just pushing that just to push it. I'm just telling you, for example, I have ebooks. Now, this is a great form of passive income because it requires a decent amount of effort up front, and a little bit of marketing. You have to write it, of course, might take a few weeks depending on how long you're doing it, and you do want to price it accordingly. If your book is only 10 pages long, like one of mine is, you're not going to charge $80 for it, because that's ridiculous. You're going to charge $5 to $10. I'm charging $4.99 for mine. So that is another way to make passive income. Another way to make passive income with the cryptocurrency market is to offer education, offer trading courses, make a course and sell it to people, and make sure you actually have great information in that course. Don't make it just a ton of BS. Make it a great course that people will continue to buy. So that's another way. Now, in this video, while I wrap it up, I wanted to go over one way not to make passive income. One way you should avoid, because it's most likely a scam. Can you guess what it is? If you guess trading bots, you're right. Trading bots are mostly scams, especially in the cryptocurrency market. I mean, if you're a Wall Street guy and you have a trading bot, maybe it's a little bit different, but I've talked to people who've gotten ripped off badly with trading bots, and I'm really happy I've never done this, and I taught myself how to trade. The majority of people offering trading bots out there are just scammers. They just are. If trading bots could really bring you a residual passive income every day, then wouldn't everyone have one? Or almost everyone have one? No, it's not how it works. You can't just put a little bit of money up front and have a trading bot that makes you these crazy returns. Anything that promises insane returns with very little risk is most likely a scam. Everything has risk, and especially when you're talking about trading bots, because you don't know if they're legitimate and you don't know if they're being truthful. Look at something like BitConnect, which I predicted would collapse, and it did. Look how many people lost money with BitConnect. They were promising unsustainable returns. It was a Ponzi scheme. They had a trading bot, but they couldn't show you where it was. It was supposed to bring you all this passive income, or even just normal income, or they didn't even use the word passive. They just said income, and it crashed. But the people at the top ended up alright. The people at the bottom got ruined. Like, that happens so much in Ponzi schemes. They don't want to see it happen to you guys. So there you have it, a few different ways you can make passive income. I went over a couple cryptocurrencies you could use to make passive income, and I do want to make another video in the future, a bigger list of videos of coins that bring passive income, but I also went over some non-coin ownership ways to make passive income. So how can you make passive income without owning coins? And I went over that. Teaching people, writing ebooks, variety of different things, offering educational courses that are valuable to people, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Are you going to buy yourself some KuCoin shares? Are you going to buy yourself some Neo and rack in that gas? Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a like. make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share the video with everyone you know who wants to make a little bit of passive income in the cryptocurrency market. And I thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.